Valeria Lukyanova, born on August 23, 1985, in Tiraspol, Moldova, is a Ukrainian model and internet personality who gained worldwide fame for her striking resemblance to a Barbie doll. Often referred to as human Barbie or living doll, Lukyanova became a sensation in 2012, captivating audiences with her doll-like features and unique lifestyle. Her rise to fame began when she started sharing makeup tutorials and spiritual discussions on social media, quickly attracting a large following. Lukyanova has openly discussed her use of cosmetic surgery to achieve her iconic look, which has sparked both admiration and controversy. She aims to convey a message beyond her appearance, positioning herself as a time-traveling spiritual guru. Her teachings often focus on personal transformation, spirituality, and the concept of transcending traditional human existence. Lukyanova's life and persona have been the subject of various media features, including documentaries that delve into her beliefs and lifestyle. Despite her popularity, she has faced criticism for the beauty standards she represents and the extremes some believe she promotes. Overall, Valeria Lukyanova remains a polarizing figure, blending beauty, spirituality, and the complexities of identity in contemporary culture.